Come on in, y'all. Today we're doing a $5 Dollar Tree DIY. So I was at Dollar Tree and I saw these $5 24-inch stacked eggs, and I knew immediately what I wanted to do with them. I wanted to turn them into 3 separate vases. So here we go. You're going to need your eggs, the 24-inch stacked eggs that we got from Dollar Tree for $5, sandpaper, your paint, coffee grounds, a knife, paintbrush, your handy glue gun, and some tile decal. It's optional. I used it for 1. So you're going to first cut off the smallest egg, the top portion. It's going to be a little bit difficult to get that first piece off, that first cut, but then you're going to go around in a circle and you're going to remove the top. Then you're going to take your sandpaper. There's a very light plastic, there's a light coating on the plastic, and you're going to want to remove that in order for your paint to adhere to the pieces. So the first step is to remove the thin layer of plastic off of all of the eggs. Now we're going to paint our eggs. I chose 3 different colors, white, brown, and black. That has a monochromatic look that I love. So that's why I chose those 3 colors. You can choose whatever color you wish. The paint effect I use is very similar to what a ceramic vase looks like. I added the coffee grounds to give it texture. This is the second set of eggs that I'm painting. The first set I used baking powder, which was great. I just wanted to try something different. And the effect came out the same on both sets that you'll see at the end of this video. But here you can see I'm using a base coat. I'm coming in with the browns to give it kind of more of a textured look, tricolored look. The brown and the white is what I primarily used on this particular egg. But of course, you can choose whatever colors you like to give it whatever type of effect that will suit your home and your style. Here are all 3 of the pieces finished. That first largest egg in the back has a different effect than the other 2, the black and the kind of mid brown. Again, those are the colors that I like that are monochromatic for my home. I think they work really well together. And since there's holes in the bottom, here you see me just taking a regular old cereal box and making circular rounds in them just to cover up that bottom. I have an extra piece of faux fabric that I'm going to hot glue to the rounds, which I will then attach to the bottom of the vases just to give it a more finished look. So here it is, guys. This is the final result. This is my second set that I finished. I think it looks great by themselves. Here I styled it. You can put any object that you want in them. This is my first set that I completed. If you notice, the middle largest round has that tile at the bottom that I added just to give it a little bit more flavor. You could add flowers. You could add fairy lights in them to light them up. They look fantastic. So if you like this DIY, please stay tuned. There's so many more DIY projects that I have that are upcoming. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.